Hello everybody, it's Jake over here. Today we're going to check out Toad Network. We're going to look at the next section for Toad Network, which is going to be how the fees and liquidity actually maneuver around the ecosystem and where the liquidity is actually going around the network map. So this is really, really interesting. Stay tuned for this because I think it's very, very important that you understand exactly how all of this works. Let's crack on with the video. Okay, so now we've had a real good look at the ecosystem as a whole. We've taken a look at the Vault Treasury and how that is important and the impact it has on the floor price and the way it incentivizes people to use the ecosystem and provide security. We've also looked at the rug proof protocol, the DPLP. And yeah, now we're going to head over to the actual network transaction fees and the payment structure in terms of how the money flows in and out and through the ecosystem itself. Okay, so this is quite a technical image. It is a network map and it shows where all of the money is flowing into or out to depending on what the user's input is. So this could be an unstaking or staking input, or it could be a simple transaction. So we can see here on the left side you've got your MetaMask wallet. The swap fee is 0.3% regardless, and it doesn't matter which network you're using, whether it's the Moonbeam, the Moonriver, or the Binance Smart Chain network. So we can see here, whatever happens, the fee is 0.3%, and all of that 0.3%, 0.25% goes to the liquidity provider, highest in space, and 0.05% goes to the treasury to back the pad. And that's, you know, the vault. This is that lovely vault system, which means it's not going in to the developer's wallet. It's going back into that communal vault, which will give the users more security, raise the floor price, and also provide that liquidity is always there, even in the bearish scenarios where we're seeing bigger drops in the rest of the market. So not only does it provide more confidence, it actually allows for more reward by using the network. So what else can we see here? Well, we can see on the top here where we have, you know, the top right where we've got the earn pad. For every interaction, such as staking or unstaking in the yield farming, we can see, you know, 1% stake and 1% to unstake. So right there would be 2 if the 2%, you know, if the user was to stake and unstake within a short period of time. So most of the farms in this category, you'll find farms that are solo, like 1 token, and farms that are also 50-50, such as liquidity pairs. So those have a 1% staking and unstaking fee that goes directly to the treasury back to your reward. As you can see, that 1% fee is going into the vault, and you know, even when you reinvest, stake and unstake, you're also getting a burn. You see that 1% burn. You can see if you do earn partner token or earn liquidity pairs. Also, there is another, you know, 10% and 2.5%, but we'll just touch on that in a little bit. We do also have solo pad farms. So 1% stake, unstake, reinvest, transaction fee, and these are the special farms on every chain where 1% of the farm, staking, unstaking, or even one click reinvesting burns 1% of pad supply from that operation. So every operation, can you see that it's benefiting the actual ecosystem? We're getting a burn, but we're also getting you know, money go back into the vault there. That's very, very good to see. The DPLP farms, so 10% this one, as discussed earlier, to stake and unstake them. And I think that's one of the really, really cool, unique elements of this network map. It's really, really cool. So they do offer a unique way in incentivizing that farm and the guard and protect it at the same time. So it's now fully rug proof, and the APYs are usually higher enough to cover the fees because, of course, that 10% is quite a big lump if you imagine. So it also means, because of this larger unstake fee, more incentive to keep on holding in your position. Another great thing to take a look at, for example, is partner farms. These can be like, you know, when a partner that links their own token with the chain token, it could be token X to BNB, for example, you know, these will reward you with the partner's token. So for example, also on Moonbeam, there's a farm like Toad to GLMR, and that rewards you with Toad. And a fun fact, this is actually one of the only farms on the Padswap, you know, across the chains that rewards with the low supply 200,000 Toad instead of the 200 billion pad. Another great thing is for the DAO, You know, there will be a governance way to vote on the locked vault systems and investments and farming incentives shared across the chains, and you know, also many other features which will be announced in the future. So do make sure you get down and find yourself in that Discord and Telegram community so you can see all the behind the scenes news. You can connect and ask questions should you wish, and you can get a real understanding of what Toad Network is truly about and be part of that freshly growing, organic, like-minded community. So I do really hope that does give you a bit of an idea of how Toad Network is built with longevity in mind, and how there's some really fantastic features across the whole ecosystem. Let's just remind ourselves of why Toad to begin with. All of these fantastic reasons right here: that low 195k total supply, the cross-chain ecosystem, you've got the backed reward, the rug-proof protocol, and so much more. As you can see, you've got all that yield farming, brilliant automated market maker, guys. This is one that you don't want to miss out. It looks so exciting just looking at the artwork to begin with. Not to mention, we also got a bit of a sneak peek of Meme Guardians right here, which is a free-to-play, community-driven roguelike RPG play-to-earn game, guys. This could be absolutely massive. It looks really fun as well. Teaser alert right here. I'm not going to show too much, but look at this. It looks really nice. It's got some very old school vibes to it. Oh my god, side scroller, top down. I'm going to be playing this one for sure. So yeah, not too much to reveal on that one, but this is going to be extremely exciting. There it is, everyone. That is Toad Network. I think what a fantastic DeFi ecosystem, decentralized exchange, automated market maker. You've got so many yield farming opportunities for staking, liquidity pairs. You've got confidence in their vault treasury system, as well as their rug-proof DPLP protocol. There's much more coming out. Oh my gosh, you've got play to earn NFT opportunities in the future. A bit of a teaser alert right there, and it's one of the lowest fees ever. Like, for developers, I mean, like I said, it's a developer's paradise. For example, you can launch your own token for one toad, which is literally about $6. That is cracking. So more on that later, guys. We will touch on this on another video. I hope you really enjoyed the content, and we're going to talk about how you can launch your own token pretty soon. So do stay tuned and watch this space. And also remember, their game Meme Guardians Alpha is live to try out, so that's super exciting. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you jump into their Discord, Telegram, and watch this space. See you soon.